on the Deux-Montagnes line with Ben and Calibre Transit. We're going over the water here into Laval. Well, Île-Bigras is still part of Laval, but yeah. Here's the view out the back. Look at that. It's super empty on the train because everyone is opening day for Anse-à-l'Orme. So there's barely anyone on the train. Uh-oh, I gotta hold on to something. What station is this? Sainte-Dorothée, Laval. Some exits are on the right, some on the left. I think it's better when they're like all on the same platforms. You have to go up and down the stairs twice. Switch over. Passing Laval to Deux-Montagnes. Well, first to REM and then Deux-Montagnes. Oh, we're going over the water soon? Let's see. Oh, there's the water. Nice. Oh, look at that. Thanks guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit that notification bell. This is Calibre Transit signing off.